Mathematicians who like to change the numbers in the equation to numbers that are easier to work with use the compensation strategy. Because they use numbers that are easier to work with, sometimes we call this the friendly number strategy. Let's take a look at this strategy in action. Let's add together the numbers 265 and 390. Neither of these numbers is very easy for me to work with in my head, so instead I'd like to change them to numbers that are easier to work with. I want to draw this out for you so you can see how I do this. The first bar is worth 265 and the second bar is worth 390. I'd like to change 390 to 400 because it's a much easier number for me to work with. But in order to do that, I need to take 10 out of 265 and put it over there with 390. Now I have 400 over here. And because I have 10 less in this bar, I have 255. Notice that my quantities didn't change. My sum is still going to be from here to there. My bars are still the same length. But by taking 10 and adding it over to 390 or moving it over to 390, now I have easier numbers to work with. 400 plus 255. I can very easily add the hundreds together to be 600 and then just put on the tens and the ones. So using the compensation strategy, I know that 265 plus 390 equals 655.